The Real Housewives is a reality TV series that exhibits women living the good life. They live ultra-chic lives. However, they are not immune to adversity, humiliation, and powerlessness. Artists in the 19th century also painted portraits of fancy ladies. However, like the housewives, their lives were often not such a pretty picture. A look at 19th century real women's portraits, museum selfies, and of the artists who painted them in the 19th century. Elite society confronts many of the same issues today: inequality, status, sexual dominance, and cultural intolerance. American expatriate artist John Singer Sargent painted portraits of elite women. This painting, Madame X, is notorious for a scandal at the Paris Salon of 1884. The painting revealed a slipped shoulder strap, much to the critics' distaste and humiliation of the model and anger of her husband. Desperate to reinvent himself, Sargent moved to a new studio apartment in a hip part of Paris where all the best artists and designers were. Art historians assume Sargent paid his rent with this portrait during his most difficult period prior to career success. Sargent also painted her daughter, who grew to become a feminist writer. Sargent's painting of Isabella Stewart Gardner was detested by her husband when he saw it. He was appalled by her exposed shoulders and decorative motif emanating from her figure. He banished the work to a wing of their home that became locked down until after their deaths. Next, Sargent went to England and became friends with the Wertheimer family. He painted several portraits of the daughters and family members and enjoyed traveling together with their family. One casual diary note of the daughter notes how Sargent found more interest in the gondoliers rather than the local ladies while in Venice. Perhaps this question in his sexual identification contributed to a better understanding of being the other, like the Jewish Wertheimers. This portrait exhibits a romantic fantasy of an orientalized Jewess, exotic and over-sexualized. This painting was hung separate from all others in their home. Like other artists, Sargent, his models, and his patrons experienced adversity, humiliation, and challenges regardless of their status. Their portraits exhibit real women who confronted issues of their time that are still relevant today.